Matt here. So we're underneath the yellow 308, and there's been a lot of questions on the steering rack. When we first did UVI it, we didn't really notice anything, but I went and grabbed a hold of it, the wheel, and there's just a slight amount of play right here. I mean, just a slight. And up on here, why don't you come over here, look up here, put a flashlight on it. On the boot end here, there's a little bit of play right here. These are very small, pretty minor. But like I said, we did look up the racks on these, and they're not very expensive, and so we will replace it for the buyer. But you look and see all the suspension has been taken off and powder coated, all new bushings, all the seals, all the brake lines, the shocks have been rebuilt, the brakes have all been done. Front on the front, all the way, you can see all the brakes, the hubs. Just everything has been rebuilt and powder coated and redone up on the front of this rig, on this 308. Same with the back. Everything back here is brand new. It's very, very clean, very, very, well taken care of. You can see just everything is just new. And just all the paint marks and everything, you can tell it was all done right. The fuel tanks have been out and redone. You can see that as well in here. Same with this side. Just very solid car. It looks like it's got a new custom muffler on it. Ceramic coated headers. So it runs out really nice and strong. Axles have been redone, boots and everything. Lots of money has been spent on this car. So there you go. Happy to answer any other questions. Let me know.